Google Chrome update. Is your internet browser crashing? This could be why. Google Chrome users have reported issues with the world's most popular internet browser after installing a new Windows 10 update. Google Chrome has been badly hit by the recent release of Microsoft's Windows April 10, 2018 update. The first big Windows 10 update of 2018 launched earlier this week on April 30, bringing with it a number of new features. The patch includes the long-delayed timeline feature as well as offline website and push notification support in Microsoft Edge. However, a bug in the latest version of Windows 10 has caused issues with Google Chrome and even Microsoft's own Cortana virtual assistant. Windows 10 users flocked to the operating system's Reddit page to report issues with Chrome. Under a post entitled "Chrome Freezes Windows After April Update," one Redditor wrote, "Everything freezes, keys don't work, Control-Alt-Delete doesn't work. The only way to gain back control is to make the computer sleep by pressing the power button on my laptop, then reawakening. Anyone else have this issue?" To which one Reddit user responded, "Exactly the same issue." While another wrote, "Yep, noticed it happens in Chrome most often but is also happening in other apps like Outlook." And one added, "I have the same issue with Chrome as well." The Guardian reported that the bug was affecting some but not all Windows 10 machines that have installed the April 2018 update. They added that it also appears to impact newer computers with Intel's integrated graphics chips. Microsoft have acknowledged the issue and said they are working on a fix which is expected to be released on May 8. In a support forum post, Microsoft said, "Some devices may hang or freeze when using certain apps, such as Hey Cortana or Chrome, after installing the Windows April 10, 2018 update." In the post, responding to an affected user, the Microsoft rep suggested suspending the computer. This was by either closing the laptop lid and then reopening it, or on Windows tablets by pressing the volume up and down buttons simultaneously 3 times within 2 seconds. They also suggested entering the following command: Windows key and Control plus Shift plus B. The bug can occur at any time when launching apps such as Chrome or when using features within those apps. It also reportedly impacts Microsoft's own Surface machines. Google Chrome is one of Windows 10's most popular apps and is the world's most popular internet browser. Latest net market share stats for the first 2 months of 2018 give the search engine giant's browser a huge 61.01% market share. Its nearest challenger is Microsoft's Internet Explorer with a 12.42% chunk of the market, followed by Firefox on 10.89%. Whereas Microsoft's newer Edge browser, which is the default choice on Windows 10, lags behind on 4.53%.